Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Nothing has been done in that regard by the government so far, with the result that many of our research scholars, students, and others who care to read in the library do not have the minimum facilities to transport to get there in time and to do some work there. This is one example of carelessness in regard to such matters. Stop. Yet, it is a very simple matter which could have been remedied by improving transport facilities. Stop. Now, about other places, we find from the government statement that Chennai, Mumbai, and Kolkata are the three places where we will have public libraries under the aegis of the government. There are very many cities in our country, and some are very important from every angle. Stop. There are places of culture where we have got big universities, and also for other reasons, the places are known for their activities which require library facilities. Stop. The government does not have any scheme. Stop. Even in the 11th 5-year plan, such matters have not been given due attention at all by the planners. Stop. We know that there has been a lot of cut in the allocations of funds in the second 5-year plan for education. Stop. The Ministry of Education has justifiable grievance on that score, but, at the same time, they should make it known to the public that these are the indispensable schemes for which they require aid from the government or the planning commission, so that public opinion could be mobilized about that. Stop. I know there have been ministers, deputy ministers, and secretaries who have complained against the allocations that have been made as being very inadequate. Stop. I share their sentiments and I share their views, but at the same time, the government have not produced any arresting scheme with a view to attracting public opinion behind them so that more money could be had for this purpose. Stop. This is a matter of misfortune that the Education Ministry should not have started libraries. Stop. Para change. Sir, I am happy to note that most of the provisions contained in this bill, as passed by the Lok Sabha, have found favor with a large section of this House. Stop. There are only a few points which have been urged and to which I would like to reply briefly. Stop. As I have made it clear when I make this motion, we realize that this is not a measure intended to overhaul the whole system of civil administration. Stop. It is only intended for a limited purpose, namely, to remove certain lacunae which have been found as a result of change in circumstances, or change in the constitution or on account of several other factors. Stop. Now, with respect to the criticism as to why a comprehensive bill is not being brought forward by government, I can only say, as I explained earlier, that we have appointed a law commission and that commission is carrying on an exhaustive inquiry with respect to not only procedural matters, but also some of the most important substantive laws of the country. Stop. Para. Therefore, if we really want to reach the commanding heights of production, which is our projective, it is necessary that the workers' cooperatives are promoted, and for that purpose, my suggestion is that there should be separate Ministry of Cooperation. Stop. Then, sir, this report contains a catalogue of events. Stop. The report says that in 1995, the major cause of severe setback to agricultural production was unprecedented drought in 1995 to 96. Stop. And when it comes to how we have made progress in 1996 to 97, it says because the weather was comparatively fair and there was no drought to that extent. Stop. What is the achievement we have made? Question. Therefore, the whole report is very disappointing. Stop. It does not disclose what all the radical changes have taken place or what steps have been taken to improve agriculture with expedition. Stop. And from point of view, if you really examine this report, you will find that the government has not taken major steps about land reforms, about rural employment or the integrated rural development program. Stop. For that purpose, a separate department was constituted for rural reconstruction, and the ministry in this report admits that benefits of investment on agriculture have not reached poorer sections of rural population. Stop. The report begins like this. Stop. It was felt, therefore, that exclusive special programs for the exclusive benefit of poorer sections of rural population are required if the objective of distributive justice was to be achieved, and then after giving the numbers of agencies which are working, the report has not revealed what rural employment was given in the year 1995 to 96. Stop. I would like to know from the minister, in view of investment and so many programs of integrated rural development going on, what was the increase in rural employment in the year 1995 to 96? Stop. The report itself is astonishing in other aspect. Stop. It says that land reforms are being implemented, but the land reforms implementation paragraph in the report is interesting. Stop. It is only the lip sympathy which has been shown by the government. Stop.